Worcester Airport Information Hotel 1854 Zulu, winds 250 at 5, visibility 10, view 5,500, temperature 26, 2.13, altimeter 3012. Runway 29 in use, expect visual approach. Structural tower light out of service, 1.7 nautical miles west-northwest, 1210 feet MSL. Structural tower light out of service, 2.4 nautical miles north-northwest.
Alright, so we got hotel and runway 29er. Alright, I see where that is. Let's give ground a call. Cherokee 5240 Tango calling Worcester ground.
Cherokee 5240 Tango, Worcester ground.
Worcester ground, good afternoon. Cherokee 5240 Tango is at Rectrix, ready to taxi with Atis Hotel, and we're going to be exiting to the pattern to the southeast, VFR.
Cherokee 40 Tango, roger, runway 29er at Bravo, taxi via Bravo.
29er at Bravo, taxi via Bravo, 5240 Tango. Alright, here we go, kids. Heading over to taxiway Bravo.
Worcester Airport Information, India now, current altimeter 3012 for Cherokee 40 Tango, that's the updated 1954 Zulu observation. Wind calm, visibility 10, sky clear, temperature 26, dew point 13.
40 Tango has India, thank you. We got our friends from JetBlue over here at the gate. Man, it's a hot one today, 86 degrees. Alright, I'm going to do my run up here. Brakes are set, throttle up to 2,000. Aircraft's holding. Left magneto looks good. Right magneto looks good. Carb heat looks good. Idle test, we're still idling. Back to 1,000. Oil temperature's coming up, fuel pressure's good. Oil pressure's coming up. Left and right tanks are full. Fuel pump's on, things on. Get the door shut. Get buttoned up here. We'll close this. Have a little cool scoop. Everything looks good. Airspeed's alive. 60, 70, 80. There we go. They told us to make a left turn out and let them know when we're outside of their airspace. So here we go. Man, we're just coming up through 3,000 feet. Got the city of Worcester down there. Pretty cool. Oh, get a look at these clouds. They're pretty nice. Got this GPS map here showing us how to get to Mansfield. And we've also got this one, so we've got two maps so we don't get lost.
Tower, good afternoon, altimeter 3012, runway 29er, wind 290 at 7, clear to land.
Runway 29er, clear to land, 4870. Yeah, so we're looking pretty good here. About halfway to Mansfield. We're just flying along, not too much traffic out here today. Nice and quiet. That the cloud deck is up at, looks like it's up at around 6,000. We're flying at about 4,000 right now, so the clouds are a couple thousand feet above us, so that's nice. Plenty of visibility. Everything's looking real good. That's Mansfield, just to the left of the highway there. We're on the descent, coming through 2,500 for 1,500. I got an aircraft right down there that's towing a banner. I don't know if you can see it on the video. He's pretty low. We're going to fly over the top of him. I got him over here on the scope.